Do you want to know the 4 ways to remain calm in a stressful situation? Hello everyone, this is Sunil Poddar. I'm a mindset hacker and I help people gain self clarity so that they can live an empowered and happy life using the power of mindset. Being calm under a stressful situation is not a characteristic trait as it is thought, but it is a skill that can be learned within minutes, and I'll be showing you how easy it can be. But before going into the 4 ways, I would like to reiterate the fact that we live in 4 dimensions simultaneously. So it is important for us to be calm in all these 4 dimensions. And today I am going to tell you exactly how you can do that. So, moving forward, I'll be going to the mental dimension and tell you how we can remain calm when it comes to the mental dimension. Over here in this dimension, we need to keep our energy positive. But how do we do that in a stressful situation? The first thing that we should do is count from 1 to 10. And after doing that, we have to evaluate our choices. We are in a situation, but what are the choices that we have to get out of the situation? The situation might not be under our control, but the choices are under our control. And that is the power we have in this dimension. Going to the emotional dimension, you can choose either of these two depending on the time you have. If you have more time, you can write it down. If you have less time, you can seek support. I have been stressing upon this fact that we need to be mindful of our company and we need to be around people who support us. Now, this is the time we ask the support of such people. This is how we can remain calm under stressful situation when we know that we have a backing. Or if we write it down. If we write it down, we let our emotions flow. We remove the emotions that were blocking us and let it flow. Coming to the spiritual dimension, we need to think about how it affects our bigger mission in life. If the situation doesn't affect the bigger mission in life, it is like irrelevant if we stress upon that situation. But if it is affecting our mission in life, we again have to think about our choices and what we can do to overcome this instead of stressing out on this. When it comes to the physical dimension, what happens in a stressful situation, we have a shallow breathing pattern. But if we replace it with a deep breathing pattern, it can help us to remain calm under such situation. These are the 4 ways that help you remain calm under stress. In mental dimension, it is all about keeping your energy positive. Take a break for 10 seconds and think about the choices you have. In the emotional dimension, either you seek support or write it down, depending on the amount of time you have. In the spiritual dimension, think about how this situation might affect your mission. If it doesn't affect your mission, it is not worth your time. In the physical dimension, start breathing deeply. It will help you to remain calm in a stressful situation. If you found this video useful, I invite you to join my private Facebook group. The link is in the description. Share it with someone who might find it useful. Thank you and bye bye.